Hi, if you want to play NFL fantasy football, this is how you can do it. So this is going to be just a basic overview, a beginner guide on how to play NFL fantasy football. So on the main page, when you come to the home screen, you first have to make an account. There will be a sign in button in the top right here. I'm already signed in. So just make sure to sign in and make an account. Down here is just like a quick little how to play fantasy football. This is a quick little overview. So basically you draft your team, you set your lineup, and you watch them win. It's just like any other fantasy football. So I'm just going to show you the mechanics of this site. We have two options here. We have three options actually. Received invite. That means if your friend has invited you into their league, you would type your league ID right here and click on continue. If your friend hasn't invited you and you want to join a free league, you have an option to join a free league right here. This is a list of all the free leagues that are ready to be joined, and you can see the details of every league, like all the settings of that specific league. And you can see when the draft is set, so what time the draft is, the draft format, and everything you need to know basically about the fantasy football league. On the right here, you have an action button. It says join. So when we click join, it tells you to put in a team name. I'm going to say Dino Test for just this example, and I'm going to check off so that they don't notify me by email about the league, announcements. We're going to submit that. And there we go. We are in the NFL Managed League. And we can click here to go to your league. Now here we are in the league. We can see where the draft is. If we want to test how the draft works, we can do a test live draft here. Now, apart from that, this is like the basics of how to play. So when we draft, when this comes, so September 16th, you will then draft your players based on the draft type that is set for that league. Now I'm going to go back a few steps because there's still one option. And the option is... there we go. We have start a free league. So apart from joining a league, we can start our own league. Type in your league name, the league password, custom URL if you want. This is the draft format, so either standard or salary cap, time per pick. You can basically customize your whole league if you're trying to make a private league. And then you can just go straight to the draft phase after you have invited your friends. This will not be like a league creating type of guide, but I wanted to show you the option to create your own league. Those are pretty much the basics. If you have extra questions, there is a how to play option up here in the left that covers everything pretty good. So here where we were, how to play fantasy football, you have the option here, fantasy football beginner's guide. I have it open here. And this will just give you a quick overview of what I said and even more information on some of the specifics of the NFL drafting system. I hope that helps, and good luck.